So today is April 2nd. We just got up and it's our second day off grid, and we knew that it was going to be snowing, but I didn't really expect this.
We got probably another foot of snow last night.
And it's still coming down.
That bucket's a good example.
I
right?
know.
Water jug. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm going to fix this though. We're going to be here a while because there's no way that we're going to be able to move the trailer for at least a couple days with this much snow.
Yeah, and it's cold.
It's cold.
Let's get the fire started. Sorry, I'm really cold. Watch your step. Oh my god. It's deep.
Jeez, come on.
Yeah. That's just the fresh snow, because this area was plowed. Holy cow.
Poor puppy and her. Oh. That gives you an idea.
Yeah. Snow biking. Holy cow. It is
Yeah,
like
I'm not biking
white out
today.
here.
Oh, the dog's really happy though.
Go, Mia, go get it. Oh, I should get the snowball.
No, because I don't want to get too many snowballs. And it's still coming down. God, it's just so pretty. Like, you can't even see the road.
Look at the poor trailer. Look at the barbecue.
Oh my goodness.
Go. We're eating the snow.
Like, again, we were fully prepared that it was going to snow. But, like, the weather report changed last minute. Like, the day, I think it was the day that we got up here, they issued a winter storm warning, and they said that elevations at 2,000 feet were going to be, or we're to expect 8 to 16 inches of snow, and I think that we've surpassed 8. We're sitting right at 2,000 feet, I think. So, and it's still coming down, and the clouds are very, very gray.
Oh my.
Hi, puppy.
Ladder might be a little slippy. Ooh, very slippy. Where the hell are the solar panels?
They're up there.
Okay.
Oh, dog.
Yeah. We are clearing off all the snow on the top of the trailer. Woo-wee.
Why are you even out there?
I want a picture.
We took advantage of a short sun break and opened up the side of the Discover. It was so nice that we decided to spare the trailer of some moisture and boil some water outside for tea with the trusty BioLite.
You want this? You have to work for it.
Sunbreak was glorious, but it didn't last long. It began to snow again, and we had to shut everything back up for the evening. By the next morning, it had snowed several more inches.
Inside. Come here, inside.
Once the roads were clear enough, we took the bikes for a ride, which turned out we bit off a little bit more than we could chew by attempting to take a trail. By the time we were done trying to ride, the sun was out full force again, so we once again took advantage by opening up the trailer.
Oops. Can you help? Hello.
Ooh, hey. You good?
Okay. Well, the sun needs to come out a little bit more.
Are you done?
Time to go outside. You got your ball? Or did it roll into the bed?
There it is. If you want to go outside.
You want to go outside? It's a little chilly this morning. It didn't snow last night, but it's a lot colder than it has been in the mornings, but at least it's nice and clear for once. But the snow is so packed. Normally, my foot would go all the way in that. Try to get some of this cleaner snow here. Doesn't need to be perfect because it's just for laundry. But the snow is so packed. So I put the nice camera away because it decided it was going to start raining on me, and I really don't want my camera to get wet. So I brought this tiny camp sink. Man, please get your ball out of here. I really don't want it. This water is boiling, which means we're gonna go get some dirty clothes. We're gonna start with probably socks. I don't know how we're gonna dry them, but you know, it's all part of the journey, figuring crap out. Okay, so got all these socks. Throw them in the sink. And we'll just do boiling water. Whoops, I didn't have the camera on that. So we're gonna go collect some more snow. So there's one pair of socks washed. So this is the part of the thaw that nobody likes, where it's raining now. It's above freezing. It's still freaking cold. And everything's just kind of this soggy mush. I have to cut some wood because we're almost out, so might as well get ahead of the game here and just do it even though it's raining. So we bought a big pallet full of Wayne 2x4s, so it's just all these 2x4s that were just too crappy to use. So we got quite a lot, normal pallet size, stacked full of these 2x4 sections, probably a good like 5 feet tall. It was huge. It was a lot of wood. So we've got about half of it in the truck right now, and it's
As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.